I want to speak about renunciation. Renunciation is one of the qualities of the mind that supports us letting go of what we don't need, of what no longer serves us. And it's unfortunate that in our contemporary world, renunciation is associated with deprivation, desolation. Because the real meaning is we let go of a lesser quality in order to cultivate and develop something that has more value or more meaning. And so if we had a plate that was made out of cardboard, and somebody gave us a plate that was made out of plastic, it'd be easy to let go of the cardboard. And then if somebody handed us a plate that was made out of wood, it would be easy to let go of the plastic. And if somebody handed us a plate that was made out of copper, it would be easy to let go of the wood. And depending on what we like, what we value, when we are given the opportunity to have something of a greater value, it's easy to let go of something of a lesser value. So renunciation is the ability to turn away from what doesn't serve, with as a framework the understanding that there are qualities of mind that are more beneficial that will come when we do. So what do we let go of? There's all kinds of behaviors that we can let go of. There's all kinds of ways of relating with the material world. We can recognize that we don't need a fourth helping of ice cream, that maybe 3 is plenty. We can learn to let go of having items and things and stuff be an emotional surrogate for us feeling okay. We can let go of things. We can also let go of behaviors. Of doing things that aren't helpful. So with integrity, one of the things that we need to recognize is that one of the places that we harm is the way in which we relate to ourselves, with a lot of lack of care and kindness and respect. And we can make a determination, make a resolve to stop doing that. And when we let go of our ways of hurting and harming ourselves, the renunciation of that behavior allows us to feel more care, more kindness, more self-respect. So we can let go of things, we can let go of behaviors, and we can let go of beliefs. And every time we let go, we can notice what is allowed to emerge in its place. Now, in that earlier story, when I was saying that when you had a cardboard plate and somebody came around with a piece of plastic one, it was easy to let go of the cardboard one. In the real life situation, it isn't quite as simple as that. It's not as if somebody is going to hand you the virtue that is the more valuable virtue in order for us to let go. It's usually we let go and we don't know what happens, what takes its place, until eventually we come to discover the new quality that arises when the old one is no longer present. So real life is not as nice and tidy as some of our stories make it out to believe. But it doesn't mean that the practice of renunciation and the quality of renunciation isn't still worthwhile. It is. It just means that we need to also develop some patience before we see the results.